Welcome to my channel. Make money, money goals. Wondering how to make extra money with a side hustle rate on. Latest update August 12, 2021 by Team FBZ. If your goal is to make some extra cash, you come to the right place. Whether you want to make money from home, make money online, or get out of the house to earn your extra cash, we have got you covered with this mega list of easy money making ideas. They range from part-time work to passive income, but most are side gigs you could easily do in your spare time without risking your full-time job. Here is a long list of your favorite ways to earn extra cash and make money online. Scroll through and find the ones that are best to you. Get $10 to start investing in Tesla, Amazon, Apply, and other companies. Even if you don't have a lot of money to invest, you don't have to let that stop you. You can start investing with $5 or less. Stash was built to help a beginner investor get started. You can buy fraction shares, partial shares in company that are household name like Apple, Google, Amazon, and more. Six normally a single share of the company. Cold cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but you only need is little is $5 to get started with stage is a bonus. Stage will give you $10 to invest after you deposit $5 or more into your personal profit. Want even more tools and guidance? If you choose the stage plan 3, when sign up, you can earn 2x stock rewards when you spend an eligible purchases. Sign up for stage now. Turn your skills into cash if you take those skills and turn them into cash. With new project coming throughout home invasion forward by every 2 seconds, there is something for everyone. Whether it's painting, mowing lands, cleaning houses, or larger projects like roof and fence installation, home de- advisor can connect you to this job. Home advisor will set you up with an online business profile and help you collect customer reviews to land your next job. With our 100 million lifetime service requested and thousands of users searching every day, what are you doing? You waiting for? Sign up here 3. Cancel your car insurance. We we could bad news. You could be wasting $560 every year, one approximate second. Red car insurance. And you should probably cancel your existing insurance right now because there is something much better. This new tool from insurance can tell you if you are overpaying for your can include in just a 5 clip. Whenever they find around $560 a year in saving for driver. And once you try it out, you will never have to look for affordable insurance again because they find you the lowest rates that other companies can't match. Oh, and it's also free. And come on, you can tell you don't want to save up to $560 fine to out of you are losing up to $516 or more a year. Just enter your zip code here and instantly check the best insurance for a better deal. It takes less than 2 minutes. See if you are overpaying. Number 4. Earn money taking service from the company paying $40,000 every day. It sounds will something like this actually make you money? Yes, getting paid for your opening is a little way to earn cash. Several juggling pays you for responding to easy server for big companies like Target and Amazon. But there is the thing, you have the best honest this company is real and you are responsible to create, not new product and service. Will it make you rich? No, but it could definitely help you earn a fair bit of extra cash. Every little bit counts, right? 2000 people are doing it and they paid over $50 to their user so far. Just send it here, then respond to service, then you earn cash which you can return instant via PayPal or with gift card. The pay out of us every day. Number 5. Get paid out to $225 a month, which overall video it sounds crazy, and maybe you are not every answer with your time. And thank you so much.